Hi, I'm Pam Saucerman, President and CEO of Techcom. Techcom is a customer-driven, quality-oriented company based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. We've been in business since 1976. As a WBE company, we provide the highest quality technical communications and deliverables. We take our clients' needs and make them our own. We partner with trainers, engineers, and marketing groups in an interactive process that produces a high-end quality product. The original founders, Pat and Eileen Adams, started Techcom over 46 years ago to fill the growing need to explain complex ideas and processes by writing and illustrating training manuals. This paved the path for where we are today. We currently provide technical training services divided into 3 groups: technical writing and illustration used in the creation of product manuals, creating computer visualization, multimedia technical training, as well as marketing video support, preparation of clients' products for training, trade shows, and displays. We are always looking for ways to adapt the newest technologies to achieve our customers' vision. With the development of augmented reality and X-reality, we are showcasing interactive visual displays that were conceptual just years prior. We believe that improving how immersive an experience is will be the key to the future of information. The Techcom legacy has always been one of superlative deliverables, whether that has taken the form of a service manual, a computer animation, a service training video, products prepared for trade shows, or even augmented reality. We will continue to put the customer first with the technical capabilities to impress.